Good morning, y'all. Yes, it's a new day here. No, I did not sleep in there. That was just an act, okay? Because last night I did sleep in there, but then it started downpouring, so I went back inside. We are kind of in like the North Costa Rica, so it is very like rainy. Definitely different than Thailand, so I'm not really used to it, to all this rain, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of relaxing, you know. We're just in like the forest, and it's just raining. Today's plan is to go see, I think, a volcano. Here in Costa Rica, there's one of the biggest still active volcanoes, so it's pretty cool. I think we're just gonna keep hiking and hiking until we hit a volcano and maybe, you know, go inside or something. So we got a scooter for all the days we're here because I need to have a scooter to get around. Got this motorcycle helmet. Are you ready? Let's do it! So we're currently on our way up to La Fortuna waterfall, and it's a little bit pricey. It's like $18 for a ticket, but you could go up to the waterfall, you could swim, and it's currently raining right now, which is cool. And I'm with my friend Lilia. What's up, Lilia? Say hi to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
And yeah, Isaac, I don't know where he went. He just wanted to walk down the river, I guess. I don't know what that means, but yeah, we're gonna make our way up there. To get to this waterfall, it's about 500 steps. You have to go all the way down. It's pretty cool. It's like a crazy jungle here. I feel like Tarzan. I look like a straight goon. Yeah, so we're gonna make our way to some hot springs actually. We just left the waterfall, and we're gonna scooter our way to some hot springs.
And we saw a huge Afro bird.
Afro bird?
Yeah.
That's what it's called?
That's what I'm gonna call it.
Afro bird. Look that up. Water here, it's like mad warm. It's a natural hot spring here. It's pretty dope. A lot of people come here and they just chill in here, chill in the hot spring.
We in the jungles of Costa Rica, a crazy hot spring, surfing through the ocean. I'm dying. I'm dying. So this water here is extremely hot, like especially where I am right now. You can probably see steams around me. This feels so nice.
So we just made it back on our scooter right here. I got for like 3 days. It was just straight downpouring on the way here. It was like a 10-15 minute drive on the scooter. Everything was just wet. But yeah, today was pretty awesome. We saw a waterfall and some hot springs. We went in some hot springs. It was pretty awesome. And we didn't go on to the volcano. I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. So I think tomorrow we're gonna go on this big volcano. Maybe get some footage there. I don't think they're gonna let me put Mavic up there, but I'm gonna try anyway. Yeah, for the rest of the night, I'm actually gonna go meet up some friends that I met from Canada, and we're gonna have some drinks and stuff and go out. Honestly, this weather is kind of gonna be like this the rest of the time we're up here. But in about 2 or 3 days or so, we're actually gonna go to the beach where it's nice and sunny, it's beautiful. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.